Yo, alright, so you can see here, there's two things. Some stupid manual you don't need to read. So here comes, you get it. It's all in one package. Your stupid cables, you don't need that.
Yes, you do.
Yeah. Just pop this mugger open, and boom. You got your Complex City drone that folds like that. Like that. Yeah. Yeah. And then right here, it's a charging port. And here they plug into a wall, or you put some batteries in this mugger, and then you can charge it through this. So super portable. Ah, I did it! I added the perfect. I dropped the camera, by the way. By accident. Total accident. Alright, so we're back. So technical difficulties. That will be edited out from Pro Editor, your boy. So here we got... we got two AAA batteries.
You need 4.
And the 4 AAA batteries, which is what's needed to power this beast.
There's a screwdriver inside of the pouch.
And there's a screwdriver. Can I have my cables? Where's the cables at?
It's all in there.
It turns out the cables are not useless.
Told you.
Where's the cables at? I threw it right there. I threw it.
What the fuck are you thinking?
I tried to end the scene.
Now there's extra propellers in there. There's these things that protect the propellers.
Well, I thought it was just a charger, alright?
There's screwdrivers in there. There's chargers in there.
Here you get the fucking... Alright, you get extra propellers, so if you sort of customize it, or you're just being a little stupid and you broke it, then... There, so...
I'm that boy.
Here we got a really good screwdriver. You could use this. It's more than one time use. Alright? A charger.
Tiny.
Some wind guard things. You only get like 4, which is all you need. But if you break it, that's your problem. And then you get some extra propellers, a set of 2 blacks and 2 blues. All right. And then you get this thing. I'm pretty sure it does nothing.
It takes off the propellers.
It takes off the propellers. So let's just get right into this monstrosity. How the hell do you close this?
Takes off the
push it in.
propellers. Huh?
Just push it in.
Yeah.
I don't want to break this. This is like a one-time thing. No one in the world has this. It will release in 2032, January 4th.
Wait,
Alright, so the screwdriver right here.
Hold on, down.
Yo, you unscrew this mother.
Give me your drop.
Here.
Give me all the things that
Hey, shit, it fell. Ah, I'm getting it.
Hold on,
I'm not very good at this. Oh. Which one do you do? Right stick or left stick? So, here's the drone. It's pretty good. It only costs $205, but it doesn't matter. And then you do this, flip it in the back. Ah! Ow! Myself. Ow. Stop. I can't. I injured myself.